Students, today we are going to discuss laws of chemical combination. There are 5 laws of chemical combination which we have to study here. First one is law of conservation of mass, second one is law of definite proportion, third one is law of multiple proportion, and fourth one is Gay-Lussac law, and fifth one is Avogadro's law. Now first law is law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. First, this law was given by a scientist named Antony Lavoisier. He states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. Okay. Now second law is law of definite proportion. Law of definite proportion or it is also known as law of definite composition. Now, what it said, it was given by Joseph Proust. According to him, he stated that a given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of elements by mass or by weight. Exactly the same proportion of elements by weight. What it state that a given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of elements by weight. For this, he took 2 samples of cupric carbonate, that is CuCO3. Now what he seen, he took 2 samples, first from natural source and second he prepared synthetically or in laboratory. What he checked? He checked that percentage of copper, percentage of oxygen and percentage of carbon. He found that the percentage of copper is 51.35 and it is same in natural source as well as in synthetic source. Likewise, the percentage of oxygen is 9.74. It is same in both the cases samples, and percentage of carbon, that is 38.91 and 38.91. So from this he observed that the elements or the compound which you are taking from any sources, it always have the elements in the same proportion.